Welcome back to my channel. It's Abbie Appiah on the voiceover, back with another hair tutorial. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss another video. In this tutorial, I'll be sharing how I achieve sleek, silky, straight hair. And if you have thick, 4C hair like mine, then you'll know that styling it is basically an extreme sport. It takes the whole day and it's pretty much a whole workout. But I'll be sharing all my tips and tricks on how to achieve sleek, straight hair. So I'm starting off with freshly washed and dried hair. As you can see, my hair is proper dry and kinky, so what we need to do is stretch it out and apply moisture. So I'm starting with the Appiah Keratin and Green Tea Restructurizer. This is one of my leave-in sprays and it's actually like a protein mist. I literally drench my hair in this stuff because it's going to prevent my hair from any breakage and damage from this heat process. Once I massage that in, I then take the Hair Reviver leave-in conditioner from Simply Beautiful Naturals. It's like an oil spray and it's really good for moisture. I drench my hair in this again, especially the ends. I'm using the Coil Moisturizing Souffle from Dark and Lovely just to stretch out my ends a bit. This is a really good cream for anti-shrinkage and I go through this product more than any of my other products. It's so good. I barely have any left, so I can only use a bit in this video, but I apply that to my ends to stretch it out. Then I'm taking the Hair Reviver cream from Simply Beautiful Naturals. This is a shea butter cream and I apply it to moisturize my ends. So it may look like a lot of product, but I apply as much moisture as possible before any heat process because it will allow the plates of the straightener to glide through your hair rather than to snag on your hair and break off your ends. So right now I'm dividing my hair up into manageable sections, otherwise my hair will be so uncontrollable. I'm going to be applying the Hair Repair Silkening Serum. It's a thermal hair protector and this stuff is so good for achieving silky, straight hair. So I make sure every single hair is covered because it is a heat protectant. And then I take my Jammu hair dryer with the comb attachment. I use the highest heat and the highest intensity and I start from the ends and work my way up to the roots to blow dry it. After you blow dry each section, you want it to be smooth. If it's not smooth, then you haven't blow dried it properly. But I'm just going to repeat the process of sectioning off my hair, applying the heat protectant, and then blow drying it. It's actually going to hurt your arms. If you have hair like mine anyway, it's going to hurt your arms. And I got tired by the end of the first half of my head. So it may not be completely blow dried as thorough as I could have done, but I have to take my health into consideration. We can't come and die because of straight hair, so as long as it's smooth, then that's it. I'll be using the Remington ceramic straighteners. It goes up to 230 degrees, comes in this little pouch. What more could you want? I'm gonna divide my hair into quarters and then apply my serum. So I have two serums that I like to use interchangeably. I either use the coconut milk anti-breakage serum or the Dark and Lovely Sheen Sealing Nectar. Any is sufficient. Like, I just pick up the one which is closest to me, to be honest. But today I'm using the coconut milk one and I am applying that from root to tip, stretching my hair out, and then I'm going to break up a part of this section to straighten. I found that the comb chase method is the best to straighten your hair because it makes sure that the plates of the straightener touch every single strand. The way my hair is shining and silky after just one pass through with my straightener is like a miracle and a half. And who would have thought that my thick, 4C hair could turn into this? So I'm going to do the same throughout my whole head, and I'm sure you can see smoke, but don't be disturbed. My hair's not burning. It's just what happens because I've applied so much moisture to my hair that once the straightener hits, it causes that reaction. So from this point on, it's quite repetitive and I'm just doing the same thing throughout my whole head. this is what my hair is looking like after I've completed one side. As you can see, it's a complete transformation compared to the first half of my hair. And yeah, I feel like I'm achieving silk press salon results at home. It's silky, it's shiny, it's lightweight, it's not weighed down. I'm super happy with the results. And I was just straightening my hair to kind of see where my length was at, not really to style. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to leave all the products I used in the description box below, as well as links on where you can find them. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my socials, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.